Today we're going to show you how to make I can't say
do you like honey? Yeah, don't swear. Jesus.
My bad. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Ian and Dan and Derek are going to make for you a cocktail we're pulling right out of the book. It's called the Beachnik.
Beachnik.
Page 176
it's got Licor 43 in it.
of Beach
Yes.
Berries
Barenjager.
remixed.
See, now you're gonna
So we don't.
Now I'm on.
Yeah, look. Barenjager.
That's gonna be.
He's never had Barenjager.
You've never had Barenjager?
No, I have a bottle of it in my house.
Why were you so
Where do you
confused?
come up with
Because
these
I never
facts?
made a drink with it.
He said he's like, what's that? And I'm looking for it. He's like, what's that? He keeps saying it over and over. He has a bottle at home.
Yeah,
I gave you the bottle.
I know. I got it with my
Yeah,
what's no face order.
Because we knew the guy.
I feel like I have to mediate for some reason. Like being in the middle of you guys talking, I feel like I have to
He
mediate.
is like, I've never been here before.
This is such a weird position to be in.
I will tell a
This
story.
is why you see. This is why you make the drink.
I will tell you.
I'm not saying I can't get used to it. It's just weird.
I will tell you a story.
How much?
about
Wait a minute. How much?
I had Barenjager
right there.
in Germany when I went in high school.
That would make sense.
Yeah.
So that was a 3/4 of lemon,
Like Jägermeister.
3/4 of
means
liquor
Master
43,
You're-
an ounce and a half of
Hunter. Master Hunter.
Yes,
All right.
Jägermeister.
rum.
You gonna keep going? Did you get all the ingredients?
No, and then
8 ounces.
and then
of
what is
crushed
it? 3? Is it a half ounce?
ice. A Barenjager?
A Barenjager.
Yes.
You stole it from me, so I couldn't. do it.
3/4 of Licor 43,
honey.
3/4 of lemon juice, a half of Barenjager, and then 1.5 of
This is gonna be sweet.
Light rum. Puerto Rican rum.
Puerto
It's
Rican
gonna be
light.
sweet. Puerto
It's gonna
Rican
be
light
sweet.
rum.
Yeah.
And this, so the thing is, I happen to know the rep. So the guy that sends us all the Maison,
Yes.
Oh yeah.
well, he also reps Barenjager.
Is he gonna send any more Maison anytime soon? Because that's delicious.
I know.
Unfortunately,
I wish
he
I
quit.
had none.
He quit and went to Kraken, and so all I can get is Kraken.
Oh, my brother-in-law loves Kraken. That's his.
Yeah.
I'm not
As
saying
good as
it's.
Maison.
But
Yeah,
it's only
I prefer Maison, but
Yeah.
he's a rum guy, and
No,
his go-to is Kraken.
no. But the
There's
problem,
a lot of people that like
He
that.
likes other rums too. I mean,
the problem is it's just Kraken. Like he gave me niche imports. They would have this. It probably says niche on the back, and they were importing them. So they had Barenjager. So I got Barenjager. You want
by
some
Sidney
Barenjager
Frank.
bar
I think I've
mats?
had like one drink with that.
You want some bar mats with Barenjager on them? Barenjager whiskey. How long do I do this for?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Oh, that's plenty.
You passed 5 seconds.
So we're
passed.
rolling
Just
off
barely. An F plus.
Yeah.
F
You got an
plus.
F plus.
That's a
That's
Tenacious D
55.
cut for you.
That thing would have sunk the Titanic.
Oh.
What, your cone?
No, the ice that he dumped.
Well, it doesn't look like a breakfast drink.
Nope, it
It
doesn't.
looks like a lemonade,
It does.
which would be a
You're
breakfast drink.
It looks like a
That's
daiquiri.
true.
It's like a lemon
You can make
or a
it
daiquiri. Lemonade, daiquiri, which I guess are the same thing. A daiquiri is just a lemonade with rum in it.
Nah, that's a lime. It's no lemon.
It's like a
Yeah.
limeade with rum in it.
You don't know nothing.
You don't know.
Listen to your producer.
You get out of here.
Yeah, you don't know nothing, Jon
I
Snow.
wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
I don't know why I wasn't expecting.
House of
that.
Dragons tomorrow.
That's medicinal with that honey flavor.
Yeah, it's because you're used to like.
That's a throat lozenge.
Yeah, you're used to
That's a good throat lozenge.
Ricola.
See, here's the problem: is now that Ian's in the middle and he's over there, he knows he's getting the flavor profile before we get to the end because he didn't drink it out of the glass
It's
like,
like
you do.
Cliff's notes for him.
Yeah, now he knows what to think.
Yeah, we'll tell you.
No orange juice. So Dan, your face is
Well, when we-
showing me
when we-
nothing that I can tell.
When we
is-
want to know what you think, we'll tell you.
I'll be over here.
What do you think?
too much
You get a lot
honey.
of the honey.
Mmm.
It's not like too much though.
It's
it's
pretty
good.
honey.
Is
Yeah.
it sweet?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I think that would be a sweet drink.
Not
think-
sweet like you think.
Yeah,
Really?
you think it'd be
No,
sweet?
but
Yeah,
it's good. It's really good. I like it.
It's just a
It's definitely like honey forward.
Yeah.
yeah. It is. It's like a medicinal tiki drink, which is it would be good. This would be good if you go to like a good.
It actually gets better. I feel like the more you drink it,
I think it.
Because you get drunker and you're like, oh, this tastes good.
I'm like, this is really good.
Yeah, the balance. I mean, maybe as
No,
it's,
actually.
the ice is diluting a little bit,
Yeah.
mellows it out a little bit more. I think it's good.
It's like a dark, rich, honey rum citrus
That's what
combination.
throws
actually
you,
not bad.
because it's a
Vanilla.
dark, rich flavor, but it's a very light color.
Solomon
Yeah.
says they match for the Carolina throat yogurt.
Oh, you know what it is? It's a Licor 43 with the honey. That
Well, yeah.
Vanilla,
vanilla.
Super sweet.
Yeah.
Because
No.
Liquor 43 is sweet and Barenjager is
But it's only
Yeah.
there is 3/4 of an ounce of Licor 43, which is probably the highest version of Licor 43 I've seen in a drink. Normally it's like a half ounce or a quarter
I
ounce.
think it's pretty good.
It's a pretty powerful flavor.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's a good drink. It's different.
it is definitely different from it doesn't taste like a breakfast cocktail.
It doesn't taste like anything like we drank in the last month.
No. No. The honey is weird.
I like a tiki cocktail with some honey in it. I think
Yeah.
it's nice.
No, I you know what the thing is, I see the recipe. I see the secret sauce. If you went to a Polynesian restaurant and you ordered this, you'd be like, this is intriguing because it's so different than what you were expecting.
Well,
They
you
don't
would-
tell you anything but the name
You would almost think that they made it with like a honey syrup.
Yeah.
or some sort of weird honey mixture
Right.
Yeah.
versus actually using these
The
combinations.
nice thing about using a Barenjager as opposed to a honey mix is that, you know, honey's got varying qualities and grades, and if you're making mixes, you're going to get different mixes from different
Especially
people
if they
making
dilute
it.
it down.
So just like buying a syrup, using a Barenjager for this is going to give you a more consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if you like it, nail your portions down, and then you're going to have a
Right.
consistent drink every time you make it.
Right.
Right.
If you don't like it, you will hate it every single time. Which is the beauty. So there you go. That, my friends, what the hell is this? It's a Beachnik. It's like a
Beachnik.
beatnik for honey people
Right.
on the beach.
Honey people.
I mean, if you like honey, if you
Or
have
if you
a
have
bottle
honey.
of Behringer, you should definitely
Barenjager!
Barenjager.
Barenjager's a wine.
Barenjager.
And an actor.
Barenjager. It's German.
Barenjager.
So Baron means multiple bears. So Baron is one bear. Baron is two bears because it's got the long
Or
A.
more.
Jaeger.
Jaeger means hunter.
bears.
So it's like Jägermeister.
Right?
Look at
Jaeger,
disgust on that face.
Jaeger bomb.
Jägermeister,
Is this what adults
master
do?
hunter. Barenjager is not a master. He just hunts bears.
Right.
And then there's whatever the fuck you guys are doing.
What's a deer hunter?
Deer hunter? I can't remember deer. Tira? No, that's
Anyway.
animal. Animal hunter? Deer hunter?
Well,
Deer,
later.
Deer
Tira Jaeger?
Barenjager.
Deer name.
I'll have to think about that. Hey, Echo, what's deer in
Okay,
German?
at this point, you can probably comment that I probably drank too much.
in German is Hirsch.
Hirsch. Hirschjäger.
Hirschjäger.
Boom! We
Hirschjäger.
mastered it!
Ich einen Hirschjäger.
That's right. Wait,
Hirsch.
Ich ein.
you're a, oh yeah, I guess that would work. Yeah.
That with
What
a
you
big
said
fucking
is-
ice
is
cone.
right. Creepy,
Would
but
rock
Your
the
correct.
party.
ice cone is melted, Dan. No more ice cones.
I know.
No more ice
I would
cones.
put the ice cone in it.
We're cutting Dan off
Leave me
because I don't know. Everybody thinks he's drunk all the time. So sidebar is
They're
more.
only half right. I mean,
Yeah, I mean,
So that would
I mean,
be
the other
bust.
half.
it's a terrible
Wrong.
assumption to make to be
Yeah.
50% right.
Sidebar, more videos down below. Boss, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. Also check us out on TikTok at Common Man Cocktails.
That's how you know TikTok is no longer cool.
Hey! What the fuck? We're teaching you how to drink.